Hi, I am Faisal. In this video, I will show you how to install Jupyter Notebook in Python using Termux. So let's get started. Let's open Termux. So I've already installed Python. Now I'll use pip command to install Jupyter. So pip install and then Jupyter. Run this command. You would need internet connection. Okay, so there is spelling a mistake. It is Jupyter. So let's repeat the command. Correct the spelling. It should be pip install Jupyter and press enter. Currently, pip is installing the prerequisite packages. They are dependencies. They are required by Jupyter. Downloading and then installing them. So here there is one error for installation of pyzmq. It is required to install these pyproject.toml based packages. Let's try this workaround. I will install this package. It is installed successfully. Now I'll install pyzmq. Now it is installed successfully. Let's install Jupyter. So it is installed successfully. Let's open Jupyter Notebook. Notebook should open. I think it is not open because the browser cannot be located. What I can do is to copy the path and let's open browser and paste it here. Here we go. The Jupyter Notebook is now open. Let's go to Py files. Let's create a Python notebook and type our first command, hello world. Print open bracket hello space world. Close the bracket and let's run this code. It worked. So that's how you can install Jupyter Notebook using Python on Termux. Some additional steps were required, and I showed you the solution for them. If you have a question or if you face some problem, you can ask me in the comment section. Thanks.